Good morning. It is Wednesday, February 18, 2026, at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Tech News. In the rapidly evolving artificial intelligence landscape, OpenAI has been compelled to rename a key feature within its Sora model, shifting from Cameo to characters, a direct consequence of a U.S. court order. This legal development underscores the increasing complexities surrounding intellectual property and branding in the AI sector. Simultaneously, a significant policy decision has emerged from Europe, where the European Parliament has implemented a ban on the use of AI tools on lawmakers' government-issued devices. This measure is a proactive response to escalating security risks and concerns over the potential for sensitive governmental data to be stored on U.S.-based AI company servers, highlighting a growing emphasis on data sovereignty and national security in the age of AI. On the innovation front, Apple is reportedly making substantial progress in its AI hardware initiatives, with plans to introduce a trio of AI-powered wearables. This strategic move by Apple signals a deeper integration of artificial intelligence into consumer electronics, aiming to enhance user experience and expand its ecosystem. Further demonstrating the global race in AI, India has unveiled ambitious plans to attract over $200 billion in AI infrastructure investment by 2028, a clear indication of its intent to establish itself as a formidable force in the global AI arena. Adding to the competitive landscape, French AI startup Mistral AI has made its first acquisition, purchasing Koyeb, a Paris-based startup specializing in simplifying AI application deployment and managing underlying infrastructure. This acquisition is poised to significantly bolster Mistral AI's cloud ambitions and capabilities. Meanwhile, Anthropic has continued its consistent development cycle by releasing Sonnet 4.6, a new version of its mid-sized AI model, maintaining its 4-month update schedule. The infrastructure supporting these advanced AI models is also seeing critical developments. A group of SpaceX veterans has successfully raised $50 million in Series A funding for Mesh Optical Technologies, a startup focused on mass-producing optical transceivers essential for high-performance AI data centers. Experts are increasingly noting that the efficient operation of AI models is becoming a memory game, with memory components now considered as crucial as GPUs in determining performance and cost. Beyond enterprise applications, AI is also enhancing everyday tools, as WordPress.com has integrated an AI assistant capable of editing content, adjusting styles, and creating images directly within websites, streamlining content creation and management for users. Separately, internal research from Meta has indicated that parental supervision may not be an effective deterrent for curbing compulsive social media use among teenagers, with findings suggesting that teens with a history of trauma are particularly susceptible to overuse. Business news. Turning to the markets, stock futures for the Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq are showing gains this morning as initial concerns surrounding artificial intelligence appear to recede. Nvidia, in particular, saw an early rise, driven by a significant deal with Meta. Across the Atlantic, the United Kingdom is anticipating an interest rate cut in March, a direct response to a recent drop in inflation, signaling potential shifts in monetary policy. In corporate news, Warren Buffett's company has made a notable investment in the New York Times, marking a return to the newspaper industry for the conglomerate after a 6-year hiatus from the sector. Adding to the discourse on future infrastructure, Eric Schmidt has voiced concerns about the escalating electricity demands of AI, proposing the innovative concept of space-based data centers to address this challenge. World news. On the global stage, peace talks between Russia and Ukraine have concluded without a significant breakthrough, indicating ongoing diplomatic challenges in resolving the conflict. In South America, Peru's political landscape has seen another upheaval, with Congress ousting the president after only 4 months in office, marking the country's 7th presidential change since 2016. Meanwhile, Iran has announced an agreement on guiding principles with the United States during recent nuclear talks, though further work is acknowledged as necessary to finalize a comprehensive deal. The United States is also mourning the passing of civil rights leader Jesse Jackson, who died at the age of 84, leaving behind a profound legacy of activism and social change. Tragically, in California, rescuers are actively searching for 9 skiers reported missing after a significant avalanche as heavy snowfall impacts the region. That is your briefing for today. Stay focused.